Hello, I'm LuAnn Kilday, Education Coordinator at the New Mexico Farm and Ranch Heritage Museum. I'm going to go ahead and take my mask off so you guys can hear me. I'm here in my weaving room by myself today, and I wanted to give a brief demonstration on how to use a 4-harness floor loom. So weaving is used to combine yarn and make fabric. And this is an example of a table runner that I did. And I used a basic plain weave or tabby. And so the treadles are down here. They look a lot like petals. And when you step on them, it lifts harnesses. Okay? So if I tip this up, you can see these are my harnesses. And you can see that they're going up and down as I lift the harnesses with the treadles. Also, this is the shed that's opening up, and I will take my weft yarn and I will slide it through, and that'll create this right here. Okay, so here is my weft yarn, and this is the yarn that's going to run horizontal, okay? These threads that are up and down is called my warp. So we have our warp and we have our weft. I'm going to step on one of my treadles, and it's lifting the harnesses up, and it's opening this shed right here. So I'm going to go ahead and take my shuttle and put it through my shed. Okay, I'm going to drop my treadle, and then this is the beater bar. I'm going to beat that yarn back. And I'll go ahead and open the next shed. It'll be different than the one I just opened. Place my shuttle through, pull my yarn, drop my treadle, and beat. Okay? And so I just continue this for as long as I want the weaving to be. I hope you all enjoyed my demonstration today. Everybody be safe, be healthy, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.